The 2020 Auto Expo gave us a glimpse of a host of new SUVs that are set to be launched in India this year. However, with the coronavirus outbreak, the auto industry, along with the entire nation, had to slow down its activities for a couple of months. Now, there is a considerable decline in COVID 19 cases in India, and with the new Lockdown 3.0 strategy, several factories and dealers have commenced operations. In accordance with the local guidelines, the auto industry is gradually moving towards normalcy, and soon we'll be seeing several new launches in the market. So, here are 4 SUVs that will be launched in India this year under the sub 20 lakh rupees category. Skoda is itching to get back into the numbers game with the launch of a new SUV. It plans to do exactly that. It is none other than the long anticipated Karoq, the spiritual replacement for the Skoda Yeti. The Karoq is part of the new Skoda-led Volkswagen Group's SUV offensive for the Indian market. The India-spec Skoda Karoq will only come with a 1.5-litre TSI petrol engine mated to a 7-speed DSG gearbox, and it is tuned to make 148 brake horsepower and 250 Nm of peak torque. Built on the versatile MQB platform, the Karoq will come to India as a completely built unit and is likely to be offered in one variant with all the bells and whistles. So we expect the SUV to be priced just under the 20 lakh rupees mark, ex-showroom. Next up is the much awaited MG Hector Plus, the 6-seater version of the popular compact SUV. It will be the first 3-row SUV to be launched in India by the car maker, and its biggest highlight will be the 2 captain seats for the second row. MG says that the Hector Plus is just an extension of the existing model, and in addition to some minor cosmetic changes, the SUV will also get a new interior and updated features. Initially slated to be launched in April, the company had to postpone the launch of the Hector Plus to June 2020. The Hector Plus will get the same 2-litre diesel and 1.5-litre mild hybrid petrol engine mated to a 6-speed manual gearbox and possibly an automatic option for the latter. And in terms of pricing, we expect the SUV to be priced between 16,50,000 rupees to 20 lakh rupees ex-showroom. Tata Motors too is bringing in a 3-row SUV this year, and the company has christened it Tata Gravitas. Based on the Harrier, the new SUV will be a 7-seater model, powered by the same 168 brake horsepower 2-litre diesel engine, mated to manual and an automatic transmission. Visually, it looks similar to the Tata Buzzard concept, which was showcased at the 2019 Geneva Motor Show. Initially, the SUV was slated to be launched in the first half of 2020. However, given the COVID-19 lockdown, the launch has now been postponed, and we would expect Tata to launch it around the festive season. The SUV is expected to be priced in India from 17 lakh rupees to 20 lakh rupees ex-showroom. Possibly one of the most anticipated launches for 2020, the Kia Sonet will be a subcompact SUV that will rival the likes of the Hyundai Venue and the Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza. Expected to be launched in India towards the end of 2020, the upcoming Sonet will borrow its styling cues from its bigger sibling, the Kia Seltos, while the powertrains will be borrowed from its cousin, the Hyundai Venue. Under the hood, the India-spec Kia Sonet will feature the 1.2-litre petrol, the 1.5-litre diesel, and a 1-litre GDI turbo petrol engine. Transmission options will include a 6-speed manual and a DCT automatic gearbox. The SUV is also expected to come with Kia's Yuvo connected car technology, and it will be priced in the range of 6,50,000 rupees to 12 lakh rupees ex-showroom. So, these are the top 4 SUVs that are slated to be launched in India this year under the 20 lakh rupees price mark. Subscribe to Car and Bike for information on these SUVs and much more.